Akin.
Here's our driver, Barbie.
Hi there. Meet our crew.
Hershey
Hat.
and Meiji with their uniform,
Stacks.
apron, and hats.
Ice cream, ice cream.
There's the ice cream truck. Good morning. What's your order, ma'am? Nice top. Thanks. Just one triple scoops ice cream for me. Same here. I want triple scoops ice cream too. Yeah. We are like twins. We are friends since we were small. We share a lot of things in common. Oh, by the way, I like your hair. Can you please sit there at the bench for waiting? Yeah, sure. Here comes a beautiful lady from Hawaii and her cute daughter. May I take your order, ma'am? We have huge variety of ice cream to choose from. Hi, just one fruit sundae, large size for me and my little girl. One fruit sundae on the way, just sit on the bench and wait. May I take your order, ma'am? Just 6 Mickey Heads ice cream sandwiches. Here's one new order. Here you go. Can you please wait and sit at the bench? Thanks. You have such a beautiful and cute dress.
Thanks.
Here are your ice creams. One for you and one for you. Wow, so huge. Here's your fruit sundae and a free small sundae for the little one.
Wow.
Thanks.
Fruity sundae for sexy mama and for this cute girl. Enjoy! Here are your ice cream sandwiches. So cute. Thank you. Look at him, so handsome. Yeah, I agree. I have to take his order first. Well, I got to serve his ice cream and melt in front of him.
Hi. What's your order, sir?
Just one banana split, please.
Gotcha! You're so handsome. What's your name?
I'm Ken. Thanks.
Banana split will be there in a minute.
Hi, here's your banana split with spoon.
Oh, thank you.
Cream ice cream.
Hi, what's your order? Cute little princess.
I just want a triple scoop ice cream. That's it, thanks.
1 triple scoops ice cream. I got it.
Here's your ice cream.
Yay! Thank you.
What's your order, ma'am?
3 different flavors of single scoop ice cream. Here's your order. You got mango, avocado, and persimmon.
Yay! We got our ice cream.
Avocado, mango.
Yum, yum, yum.
And persimmon. Thanks! As our last customer, you have a free balloons for your kids. Thank you so much.